got a new light for the wall. Just came in, and I think you guys are gonna like it. Mother, there's no light bulbs. Welcome back to George's Gadgets, everyone. I'm George. First things first, yes, I like Metallica, and my favorite song is Smells Like Teen Spirit. So I got an ambient light fixture because Asker Vestberg actually said that I should get one, and I really appreciate the recommendation. It inspired me to go out and find something. When it first arrived, it didn't have any light bulbs that came with it, and I was an idiot and didn't read the description. I actually had to purchase separate ones, and they came. Yo! Look at this. Hurts. I got my lights. And of course, the actual lights. At this point, I don't really know what to do. There's a grounding wire on the connection, and yeah, I don't have a grounding wire to put it to. So this light fixture is actually supposed to be installed as a ceiling light, and I was too lazy and too cheap to go out and buy another power cord that actually had a grounding wire on it. So I decided to stick with the one that didn't, and I'm not recommending this. I'm not saying that it's safe or it's not safe. It's just what I did, and it worked fine. But just for anyone else out there who wants to try and do the same setup, know that if you don't use a grounding wire, it's a lot less safe and you're more in danger of accidentally electrocuting yourself. Since I don't actually, I can't install anything in here, it's an apartment. So I was gonna hook this up to it, but so that I can turn it on and off. I don't know, I guess I'll just keep pushing forward, follow the instructions, and see what happens. But definitely need to call my dad. So I did end up calling my dad because he is the one I go to for anything handyman. He's the best handyman I know in the world. Hey, you guys want to see something really frustrating? I just wanted you guys to see the directions that I actually had to go off of. So here they are, and they were not the best. Don't make fun of my wedgie. I didn't realize I had one. I apologize. I picked these Edison vintage glass bulbs because I think that they look super nice. Apparently, if you get this, you get 2 free, and it's odd to me that they all fit so perfectly when you're getting 2 extra for free. Alright, so I'm gonna have to screw in these light bulbs, and I'm a shorty. So this is gonna be my ladder. So I wore this glove to prevent my oils on my hands from getting onto the glass, because I read somewhere that that actually lowers the lifespan of the glass and could ruin the light. I don't know if it's true or not, so if you're wondering why I look like an idiot, that's why. Hey Kristen, clean this up. I just want to thank everyone for watching. I hope that this project was as entertaining to watch as it was for me to put together. I really appreciate all the feedback, and I just wanted to point out that this video was created because somebody in the comments section suggested somebody in the comments section somebody in the comments suggested that I got ambient lights. So this video was created because somebody in the comments suggested it. And I want you to know that I read all of them. And if you have an idea for a video that you want to see, please include it in those comments and I will listen to you. If I don't get to it right away, I apologize. I'm trying to fit it into my schedule as I go through. Also, this was filmed on the new Sony camera, which I think is amazing. And it takes a little bit of time to color grade. I'm still trying to figure that all out. I think I might just adjust the settings in the camera so I don't have to color grade as much on the back end post-production. It was filmed on the Sony using the kit lens, and I'm going to do a video on the Sony as well, just to talk about my experience with it. I will tell you that it is worlds better over this old thing. This is from 2012, and I'm using a brand new 2018 camera, which is a dream to work with. I will still be using the Canon from time to time for different shots, but it's old and it's not as good. If you thought that that was cool and you wanted to do it, I have the light fixture and the light bulbs that I used as Amazon affiliate links. If you use those links, it really helps me out and it helps me create more content in the future. And I appreciate all of yous that, I appreciate everyone that uses the links. That's all I have for you guys. I had so much fun doing this video, and I love how that, Kristen, lights. Thank you. I love how they came out. I think that they look magnificent, and this is what you will be seeing in future videos. I will see you guys next time. I really appreciate you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you didn't, let me know how I can improve. I'll see you guys.